my dear brother, Professor Dr. President Shavkat Mirziyoyev.
Janob oliylari, qadrli do'stim, hurmatli professor, doktor, prezident Shavkat Mirziyoyev.
Honorable ministers and delegates from Uzbekistan and Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening.
Hurmatli O'zbekiston va Pokiston vazirlari, delegatsiya a'zolari, xonimlar va janoblar, assalomu alaykum va xayrli kech.
Excellency, we are extremely delighted to have you and your wonderful delegation in Islamabad, your second home. And this is your second visit to Pakistan in 4 years' time.
Hurmatli janob oliylari, biz aytib o'tmoqchi edikki, sizni va sizni ajoyib delegatsiyangizni ushbu yerda Islomobodda sizni ikkinchi uyingizda ko'rayotganimizdan bag'oyatda mamnunmiz. Bu sizning Pokistonga bo'lgan ikkinchi tashrifingiz, xususan 4 yil ichida.
I would like to avail of this opportunity, my dear brother, Mr. President, to congratulate you for being awarded the degree of Professor and Doctor by NUST University, Islamabad, Pakistan, for your meritorious services, your unwavering dedication and your commitment to serve not only our brothers and sisters in Uzbekistan, but your great contribution in promoting peace, progress and prosperity in the neighboring countries.
Ushbu imkoniyatdan foydalangan tarzda qadrdon do'stim, janob oliylari, hurmatli prezident, sizni ushbu professor va doktor unvonini olganingiz bilan tabriklamoqchiman. Bunday unvon NUST universiteti tomonidan bu yerda Islomobodda, Pokistonda taqdim qilindi va bunday unvon xususan sizning sa'y-harakatlaringizga, vafodorligingizga, taraqqiyotga bo'lgan sadoqatingizga va ko'rsatayotgan sobit xizmatlaringizni e'tirofi sifatida taqdim qilinyapti. Sizning xizmatlaringiz nafaqatgina O'zbekistondagi aka-ukalar, opa-singillarga qaratilgan, balki-da kattaroq mintaqada bo'lgan qo'shni davlatlarda ham tinchlik, taraqqiyot va farovonlikni yo'lga qo'yishga bo'lgan sa'y-harakatlaringizni bu e'tirofidir.
Your Excellency, I would also like to convey my heartfelt congratulations on being awarded the highest civil award of Pakistan, Nishan-e-Pakistan. In English we would say symbol of Pakistan, for your great services and contribution to strengthen our brotherly relations